Now then, codheads, how's it going? It's the 1st of January 2024 and how's that for a backdrop? I'm at Withernsea South. I've just got here, tide's right in, it's just on the drop. Right, I'm in a total mess still, so I'm going to get set up, we'll have a chat in a bit. See you soon. What a blank saver that is. Right, it's 8:45. I'm all set up nice now. Yeah, I didn't have any rigs sorted out, so I've had to mess about with them. Still haven't made any new ones this year, or since I started again. Yeah, so we're on with South End. There's one or two here. There's people already fishing, not necessarily in the match that I'm in. The match is it's the Holderness club. It's an open match. Look at that! How nice does that look? But yeah, there's a couple of guys outside of me. I managed to get this nice little section to myself. Yeah, so the tide's still well up. So basically, I think the tide was at about, let's say, 8 o'clock. The match starts at 9, finishes at 2. So we're just fishing the tide down, basically. Yeah, there's plenty of people fishing over there. A guy that I passed coming down here had been here a couple of hours. He's had just a whiting and a few bites. So yeah, I'm all set up nice. Squid's the main bait as usual. I've got some wraps if I want to add some of that to it. I've got 2 rigs made up. So one is single hook. I think that's a size 3/0, that one. Yeah, just a little bit of squid on that one. I think the hooks are the mustard uptide Vikings. And the other one is a double hook arrangement. Big full bit of squid on that one. Just pulley rigs as ever. Bait ready to go. Yeah, the rod is my Any Fish Anywhere 6 and bait. The reel is the Daiwa Emblem 45 Safe. So yeah, 10 or 15 minutes to wait. Just timed it nice really. So I didn't pick my ticket up till this morning from Hornsey, so I've had to drive all the way here. But yeah, it'd be nice if nobody else comes and I've got this section to myself. I've actually brought my shelter as well. Although it's totally gorgeous at the minute, it's supposed to be going to rain from mid-morning and not stop basically, so I'm ready for that. I'm not going to get soaking wet today. Yeah, looks really nice. It's a few hours fishing if nothing else. Tickets are only 10 quid, so it's just like you're paying 10 quid for a day's fishing. The match, it's a big fish match, so I think they pay top 3 big fish, then I think there's a biggest flatty and the biggest whiting as well. There's been plenty of haddock coming out still. Nice to get another one of them. Saying that, it'd be nice to get anything today. Right, gonna have a cup of tea. I'll let you know when I've cast in for the match. See you soon. Right, it's about 10 past. I'm all set up. Just been talking to the guy next door and I just had a little bit of a rattle, so a little bite is better than no bite. But I have started off with that big double bait. But while the tard's in still, might be a chance of a big one. Yeah, it's really pleasant. Come on, you're going to finish it off for us. Such a nice morning. Shame that sun will disappear soon. Be nice with that sun on you for a bit. Oh, there we go. Little knock. Don't need a little daft knocks. Oh, there we go. Like I say, quite a big bait on, so we'll let it hang itself, whatever it is. Right, you don't want to be watching that all day. Catch you in a bit. Right, I'm just going to go to single hooks, I think. So we'll scrap all this. Still a big hook though. 3 O's, I think they are. Still nice and sharp. Just use the old grinner knot for everything. 310 grinner will do. Come on. I'm in a right mess. I'll do is I'll pick anything up, I reckon. What I might do for the next ones, I've got some wraps, some slaps, so I'll just put a bit of black over them as well. I'll just try squid for now. Right, keep that in there. Right, let me see if we've got a bite on. Right, it's about 10 to 10. Just had a slight knock. Let's see if we can make some of it. Yeah, I'm getting plenty of bites. I think we're moving to a smaller bait and a single hook might give me a bit more chance. Well, a bit more chance not to blank maybe. Come on, fish. So that's quite nice set up here. Nice little platform that I'm on. See, on the tide don't go up and down, you could just sit here all night. I'll be glad when I can get on the sand though and set my rod up as I want it. Don't know if anybody else is catching. I fished this same match last year. I think I blanked on that one. I just stayed at Holderness for that, and I think the tide was quite small then as well. No chance at this end. Come on, fish, my arms are aching. Oh well, that'll come of that. Right, catch you in a bit. Right, I've just added a bit of black to that. There we go. Looks a bit more appealing, doesn't it? Right, we'll get that one cast in, see what happens with that. Well, we're not going to blank. Little whiting for you. Right, let's get in again. Oh, right, 31 centimetres. So the limit's 30 centimetres, so we'll keep that one. You never know. Looks like the squid and black paid off. Yeah, the conditions for casting are brilliant. Be able to get on the sand shortly as well. Plenty of rods out today. Come on, £6 cod will do. Oops, there we go. Right, better check that one out. That was a good bite, that one. Another little whitey. Bit of weed with it, so it did pull. At least we're getting the biter too. Oh, there we go. How was that one? Similar sort of size. Right, let's get something bigger. Yeah, good. Well then, it's 11:30. We're halfway through, and then bites have just totally stopped. There's a bit of a bend in the rod, but that last fish that I got had weed on it as well, which is a bit of a pain. Yeah, not had a bite for ages. I'm on the sand now, so I feel a bit better being down here. I'll just have to keep moving along. So the tide's going up fairly quick now. I'll give it another 5 minutes and bring that in, see what the weed situation is. Don't know if anybody else is catching out. Dare say there will be. Right, I'll have a quick cup and then I'll have a recast. Catch you soon. Out to the blue. Good stuff, maybe they're coming back. Right, it's 12:30. These bites are coming quick now. That last whiting I had, that was 33 centimetres, that's the biggest one. And that was on that big bit of squid on its own as well. So maybe that's the way to go now. Try and get something bigger. Come on then fish, don't be shy. That weed seems to have stopped as well now, which is really good. I'll have to move forward again in a minute, I think. Right, this could be the start of them rain clouds coming. It was forecast. It would spoil it a bit though now if it comes, you know, right towards the end. Oh, there we go. There we go. Right, see you in a bit. Right, it's nearly 1:55. 5 minutes to go. You know, the last couple of bites I've had have been right vicious ones and nothing's come of it. So we've got 5 minutes to get a big one. I mean, this match they do a biggest whiting, or they do the 3 biggest fish, then they do a biggest whiting and the biggest flatfish. And the biggest whiting I've got is 36 centimetres, probably about a pound. But I'm not going to go back just for that. Yeah, if I'd have been in Holderness, I might have gone back with them, but I'm not going 20 miles back to Holderness just for that. It's about top of tide. It's about bottom of tide, so maybe that's why the bites have stopped. Well, so much for that bloody rain that was coming. It's cooling down now. Now the sun's gone behind that hill, or behind that bank, whatever it is. Cooling down a bit now. Be a cold night by the look of it. What I might do, I'm busy tomorrow, and I might go somewhere on, what day is it today? Don't even know what bloody day it is. Is it Monday? Tuesday? Yeah, I might do something on Wednesday. And that'll be just a case of using the bait that I've got left instead of you getting fresh stuff. Don't know where to go yet. You can always drop me some comments of where you think I should try. Might have just had a knock then. So I've got a few minutes left to go. It's nice to bump into people that watch my videos as well. I bumped into a couple. One guy I've seen before here, a nice fella. Then there was a family walking around, and he come up to me and he went, "You're Mike White." I went, "Oh yeah, I know." And so, hi, yeah, I don't know your name, but good to meet you. Right, I better stop doing this and check what the time is. Catch you in a bit. Right then, that's your lot. 2 o'clock. I won't be going back like I just said. Not a lot wrong with that is that bit of weed that we started to get actually was only for a couple of casts, and it's ended up being none at all. So if you're thinking of coming tomorrow, it should be alright. Right, I'm going to sign off. Show my gear off and I'm going to go. So I might see you on Wednesday. Right, if you like this sort of thing, subscribe, like, leave a comment or whatever. Right, catch you later.